Hey my beautiful people, this is Jungle again, and I'm here in store buying up parts of my generator, the valve lever, and the gas lever is need to change, so I'm here looking at some stuff. This steel here is 48,760. This steel right here, that's a really 79,000. Oh, it turned down something else. So the price is not really bad for the steel. See, it price somebody, 48,700, Yeah, about 200 and something dollars. I like the curve one, not the straight one. Eh?
Curve one,
yeah, one like this apart set down. Yeah, curve like this one is straight one.
Straight. Yeah, straight like this, you can have one.
Yeah, curve. I don't like the one, because the one I'm more. It's like the tall, somebody you need to know, I like to hold it down, so I like this.
I need good on
Yeah. I don't know why they didn't sell them on it. That's why I never got to do it. And this lawnmower, I think. Lawnmower is down. Eh? 227,000 for this lawnmower. So this is the part. This is the parts I got my beautiful people for my generator. So this thing broke, malfunction, so I'm buying this one. So the valve control. So hopefully it works. So this is my kitty bag, so I'm putting up so these are the lawnmower. This is 186,000. So tools are expensive down here. Then sell generator down here too. The wastewater pump, 39,000. Not really bad. The bigger one is at 80,000. It's a bigger motor. Pump down the pencil generator. Some more weed eater also. This weed eater here is just. It's not bad. It's at 21,000. Buy down here, nobody know. But
it's true.
Yeah, it's straight. But they don't have no. They don't have the and this is what we use. Cut the edge. Have to cut the edge in this.
Yeah, they kind of soft.
But they don't buy the price of body. Oh, 27,000. Okay, on here, bro. That's fixed thing. Alright, so. Okay, my beautiful people, so the music playing, so I'm gonna have to pause this. See you guys. Hey my beautiful people, this is Jungle again. See, I'm eating an East Indian mango, and my cousin is my cousin is at DIY, do it yourself. DIY, do it yourself, I think. So the part they buy for the carburetor is right here, behind the air cleaner. So that was the problem yesterday. Well, we bought the parts for it. This morning. It cost 2,200 Jamaican dollars. And it's so the part to change. The part to change is this part. It's called the fuel valve lock off. So that's it right there. So that's the part to buy for 2,200 Jamaican dollars. So So
That's why I make you dig off the chili, so if you dig off now. Zip your bag. You zip it.
primary bulletproof. Bulletproof vest. Alright, so my cousin he's a jack of all trade and master of none. But Miss Django says she's the one that fixed it too. So she when we're working on
Me
stuff.
and Jim fix it.
But when we're working together on stuff, changing the oil, remember the oil spill in her face? She always tell me where stuff came from. Always like can't figure out.
James.
So this is
Yeah.
so James with his spliff in his mouth right there. And that's the air filter. I need to buy a new air filter next year. So we pull it down ourselves, buy the parts and fix it. So we
Give me thank you.
that's the piece of wire we use to clean the carburetor right there. But the problem
You care a piece though?
no, yeah, we have none pocket.
Oh.
Alright, one track. One track I need to get this. Try it, some load of it. There was a problem with the air intake. There's a gasket, we set the gasket wrong. So the guy we took it to 2 days ago to get it fixed, he cleaned the carburetor and told us it was the control valve. So we went and bought this morning, fix it, but the gasket, we pulled the carburetor so the gasket was backwards. So it was cutting off. So now we got it fixed. Cause I was disappointed. I'm like, man, I can't believe. Everything you do in life is always something, so I'm glad we get it fixed because we need it. And this is East Indian. I'm eating only in Jamaica we could do this. Eat East Indian because where we come from in Georgia we don't see these mangoes. So that's what the house looking like right here. That's one of the labor right here cleaning up. So what you said we dig up? Oh, this piece.
Just a little bit. Here, so one here, so don't dig up. Full of.
So I jack them more in
too
those.
high. I have to throw about
So we don't know how you say the things and Gene tell him send up and put the answer.
Like in house sometimes. You know, listen.
I carry no care, man.
Yeah, because
I carry no care.
you have to go by with a whip for him to, you know.
2 times or 3 times.
Because we keep
so
on
some of
telling
that,
me, say,
we
we
need-
don't want in every all them people block at the home.
And you can't take this up to you know, more than.
We still do the same thing.
So you not take out the block them and me just say if it's out. And you turn up in there.
I'm more the sun, you know, can't pick up more the sun tomorrow.
Yeah, you can't take up some more, man. Really come on, can't take up.
So this is what this is the black builder here. So we're going and his name is Rasta, I don't eat meat. Or pasta. No meat or pasta and just eat swimmers. Real. So that's what he's doing, he's you know covering up this hole right here. So I had a headache a while ago and it went away because the generator is fixed. So my beautiful people, so that's a good look right here. So that's where the other guy messed up right here. So we have to knock it off and we have to redo. Actually gonna redo right there, you know, it's already lined with doorway, so the steel door gonna go right here. And I'm gonna put a column right here. So that's what it's looking like. So where it was first, right here. That was outer line, outer shape. You see what you see they put it here. So that's the doorway right there now. The doorway was outer shape. So it's supposed to be a square door, not should be a round one. So it's gonna meet here. And I have 2 coconut trees right here. We're gonna plant them before I leave. And this is the bar, so we knock a piece more out of here to make it bigger, because we're gonna dress it up. That's what on there look like. We're gonna dig down here some more. Keep it level. Flash our render. So this is gonna. I may put a window over here. This is the foundation. This is done that deep hole right down here. So this is gonna flush before we leave. Are the good pipe and take out onto that? Where did I get that pipe from? Another good new pipe.
Why when I old one actually use it?
No. That look like a one new water pipe. Have you have the old one around this? The electrical pipe I'm going to take out. And see the old pipe along this. Where you get this pipe from? Where you get that pipe from? You take it out of the bungle? This trunk. That will take you out. Because the old water pipe along this somewhere, no? This time somebody take out me.
Yeah, this is all pipe.
That's, yeah, but that's where that come from. That shouldn't be, you know what I mean? That. No, sir. Yeah. It's alright, no problem. Because. Eh? And then put in here in there. And then just put in there. Yeah. So everything work, man. We got general fix. Well, it's alright. I mean.
Well, yesterday, no, they tell you until that's
No, we can't go to the paperwork.
it's not why we put on, it's then set wrong because when you guys fix it, we turn up there and see where you take it from.
And the filter, I remember tell you what go wrong. The gasket, me put it on the wrong side.
You know that mean they tell you?
But you didn't say the black
No,
piece.
I like to tell you, because I know why.
No, you said the black piece is
The piece, 2 pieces, the paper piece.
okay, my beautiful people. So this is we arguing about the title. So this is electrical pipe. I thought the guy took one of it, but he didn't took it. Yeah. So we arguing, my beautiful people. So you know what? We walk away. You know, men don't. We don't fight. Women argue. But I'm excited. We got generator fix. Everybody helped. She helped. My cousin helped. Everybody helped. So we got to figure out. So that's all matter. Yeah. So.
Kaya naman sa when niya yung opso, yun na no argument like we may tell us something.
No, that's why James over there is surveying. So we
You always listen when we on the office, so
but main kind of
Fee over one.
Eh?
Fee over one.
huh?
Be a party na. I thought Jeremy na rin.
They don't tell me next one.
No, because I know two of you. How far you have
The
it?
chili.
Mario. Yo, you see up there?
Straight up the line.
You see, we just check. They want me cut the cross, but me take it straight up the line.
Who's ever got the car?
Not so you plan say.
Yeah,
But me they cut it straight up and go cross. Me not. So who don't take up that piece? Me not. No, me want to see now. That is. Are you in France coming today?
Nice.
Yeah, man, nice.
The reason why nice, sir? Because I leave it for about 2 days.
Me left it yesterday. I forgot to carry up.
That's why reason. I just leave them more longer, I get more sweeter. Yeah.
Yeah.
Send that alone.
Eh?
Say, I'm no, we're over early now.
They locked it at 2 o'clock.
We're trying to reach out like 7:30 if you're open. As they open 8 o'clock, we go in. Get your paperwork and then 8 towards over
Yeah.
off.
No,
Yes, we tell you.
I mean, so when they do, but they know so early, you know?
8 o'clock, they're open.
8 o'clock.
So yes, my beautiful people. So we are excited. The generator is
And what
fixed.
time we walk?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Somebody go over the line then.
So the generator is fixed, and They just call us, say they at the wharf, call us from the wharf, say the barrel
So good.
and everything is ready. So it's a beautiful Friday. So I'm excited.
Yeah.
The general
Well, we
working,
couldn't tell about them cup, they come in one of
the
those
barrel,
food.
the garage door is ready. So it's a beautiful look. So this is what the room look like. I know I showed you guys already, but
Mango sweet, yeah?
and this is the yeah, sweet. It's a meal. It's a meal. Can you cook? Can you wash? It's a meal. Can you cook? She said no. She can wash. So this is what this is the shower. So that's what the shower gonna be right here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a sliding glass door. I already saw it, it's 63,000 for the sliding glass door. So I'm gonna buy it and install it myself. This is the Corona toilet. That's a piece of it here. That's it. That's some tile right there. I think I showed you guys the tile already. I'm not sure if I showed you guys the tile, but yeah, when I was buying it. That's the one. You have to tell my beautiful people. Tell me if you like this.
Now, them are they using that, so?
Mm-hmm.